got told to wait here for an escort. Not that kind of escort. An escort to take me onto site. Okay, so we've got to follow this guy. So I got asked last time if I can tell you where I am. Well, this is where we are today, on top of the hill. Literally. Have a look at this. He's coming to unload me. Rowan Bang, however you say that one. Right off the beaten track today. You wouldn't want to fall down there. No, we've just done a delivery out the middle of nowhere. They're building a wind farm, so I'm not sure exactly how far through this sort of setup that they are, but you know, we've only just started subbing out to this one mob, so there could be a few trips out here. Not a bad drive, apart from the Kangaroos. Jesus, fuck. Yeah, we fucking collected one last night. I got it on the dash cam. I'm not sure how clear it is. I'll have to have a look. But yeah, they're just look. Anyone that hasn't driven country roads, or even, you know, more so, anyone not from Australia, kangaroos are among the dumbest fucking stupid animals to exist. You stupid fucking... Oh, you fucking queer cunt. Don't you fucking do it. Fuck, I thought I was gonna fucking get another one. Oh, there's a fucking another one. Don't jump! You fucking stupid fucking animals, cunts! Fuck me! Oh, there's more fucking kangaroos jumping in the middle of the fucking road! Get off it, you stupid fucking asshole animals! Fuck me! Don't! Fucking cunt just jumped down in front of me again. Far out. There's no grass on the road. What the fuck are they doing? They should be eating the shit off the side. What's going on down here? The gate's shut. We'll have to pull up down here and old mate can open the gate for us so we can get out. But yeah, they're among the dumbest, stupid animals. And, oh, you come out, bush out this way, and it's not just a kangaroo you see. You see a fucking lot of the bastards. Yeah, you just drive along, they'll hop out in front of you, and then instead of like hopping across the road, they'll hop down the road and yeah, just start going downways. I'll just pull up here and let you go around me.
Oh, I'm going back in.
Oh, okay.
Else, so,
Do I need to call up and...
Yeah, just turn 11 all the way through, just as these signs are.
Oh, yeah, yep.
Track 15 to the Mark Tree, and then there's another one, Mark Tree to fucking Baker's Bend, Carroll Yards.
Righto, mate.
Alright, safe travel.
Have a good weekend, brother. Sammy, track 15 to Mark Tree. Alright, so we're going to do a few little call-ups because it's not, this road ain't wide enough for the two of us. No, I suppose if you really had to, you could probably fit. There we go, we could fit two. But Probably not the best idea if you got 2 trucks coming the other way. Obviously, we're not going to be tearing down here at fucking 97 kilometres an hour. But anyway, the Kangaroos. They're just ridiculous dumb animals.
LV Baker's Bend to Stockyard.
I don't know where these positions are.
All trade in our hill.
I think the sale yards is further down, so they'll be coming up behind me. We're just gonna cruise along. We might go 40 down here because we're empty. So anyway, yeah. So from here, Car Call we're at. It's somewhat near Orange, and it's a Friday. So I've got 612 kilometres to...
Cattle yard.
Semi Mark III to Baker's Bend. Yeah, we got 612 kilometres to go back to Newcastle. We've still got to load up, so...
You got anything to send back, Rach?
Yeah, just have an LB here now.
Right.
We're looking at probably finishing,
Here we go. A little
getting
bit.
back to Newcastle at about 4 o'clock. Then we've got to reload. It's going to be probably another 8 o'clock at night finish. But these things are, you know, you've got to deal with what you've got to deal with. I've got 3 questions. So anyone that's watched this far, yous are the only ones I give an opinion, like I care that have an opinion anyway. The last video, yous went gangbusters. Like the comments, yous are going, yous are amazing. I fucking love reading the comments. Said that so many times, but I'll say it again. The likes on the video. There was few likes, few dislikes. Last time I looked, I haven't checked it through the week because I've been away all week. I think it was like 198 likes. 2 dislikes. 2! So, you know what? There's only 2 people that didn't like the video and actually didn't like it enough that they felt they needed to click the thumbs down button. So, you know what? For those people, if you've watched this far, fuck you! I don't give a shit! Semi-trailer Baker's Bend to cattle yards. Okay, so I was wrong anyway. The cattle yards are further up this way. I thought they were back down there. I didn't recall passing any. Yeah, anyway, so you're going gangbusters on the likes. So it was like 198 to 2. So for those 2 people, if you've watched this far, you know, you can fucking bend yourself over and try and fucking suck your own dick. I don't care. But anyway, 3 questions for those people that have stuck around. Number 1, what do you think of doing, or not, of me making just like a little intro? I'm not going to say I'm successful, but you know, I've got a few people that watch. But anyone that makes videos, they have like a little intro. So I'm thinking, I mean, this needs a fucking wash. But when I get it washed, maybe just a quick 15-second walk around, and that's what will start every video. If you've got some other sort of idea of what you want to see for an intro, or you know, any ideas, let me know. And then the other 2. So when I get home, I'm gonna try and get this done and get this out Saturday morning. So for anyone that watches it before, you know, the weekend finishes, question 2, who's going to win the AFL Grand Final? I don't follow the AFL, but just let me know. Question 3, who's going to win the NRL Grand Final? I really hope it's not Penrith. Look, I'm from New South Wales, not initially, I'm originally from West Australia, but I'm fucking sick of seeing Penrith win. You know, it's like when Melbourne was winning all the time, you know, like you sort of got sick of Melbourne a bit. And I'm at that point with Penrith, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, let me know what you think, what you've come up with.
Traffic dog Baker's been in the cattle yard.
We'll go right up the top here, Dave, and just let squirt of water all the way up, mate.
Oh, more water on the road, great.
Roger.
I'm gonna get this thing more muddy. All right, have a good day, have a good weekend. Let me know what you think about those three things. Till next time, bye now.